Yo, what's going on YouTube? CJ Brandon is here with another tech unboxing video for you guys once again. Now today we're going to be unboxing a very old camera, which is going to be the Sony A6000. Why did I purchase this camera? I'm not for sure, but make sure you guys stay tuned. Let's get this bad boy in box, so I'll tell you guys exactly why I purchased this device today. Let's get it. Sony A6000, they got the Sony A6000 out, they got Sony Alphas out, you know, the 7 series, 9 series, 7C, etc, etc. Why did I purchase the 6000 series? For one, it's a budget. For one, I'll definitely say that it's on budget. I picked this up from BH Photo and Video for just like around like 450 bucks, maybe 460 perhaps. This is a used camera right here. I didn't want to buy a brand new one just because it's like, it's on back order, and I was like, whatever. Used cameras, they haven't failed me at all, unfortunately. Fortunately, they haven't failed me at all. I got the Sony 7S2 right now that I'm recording on. Hasn't failed me at all. It's bought a new lens for it. Works out for us. But let's go and get into the unboxing portion of the video. That way, I can stop talking. Let's go. All right. Open that box up right here. Now, like I said, it is used, so some of the things may not be in here that, you know, was in here whenever you purchased it. Obviously, this bag right here is not a part of the normal thing because it's dirty for one. But I can guarantee that all of these right here, they may come in there. Can't even confirm it, honestly. But we got our documentation right here. This is going to show us, you know, hey, Sony Alphas, you know, 6000. Then we got some more documentation for lenses and accessories. You know, some of the little boring stuff, I should say. And some more, I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. I think this right here is for the lens. This is for the camera itself. So they gave us two different documentations for that. Put that to the side and more documentation. All right, documentation box I see when we get used products. Who knows? But let's go and open this bad thing up right here. Okay, what do we want to start out with? Let's start off with the borings again. So it looks like in here they did give us a camera strap, which is pretty cool. It looks like it's still kind of sort of not really old, but I can tell somebody may have used this right here. Yeah, the camera strap or whatever. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Put that over here. And then we got our charger that we're going to be using just to charge the battery up. This unfortunately doesn't come with like its own dock. You actually have to put the battery on the charge. I don't think I'll be using this because I got chargers in there somewhere else. That's that. We don't have a freaking battery. I hope the battery's in this camera. But that's everything that's inside the box. So we'll put the box to the side and start off with this. This camera is actually heavy right now, so I'm pretty sure that it is in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just for a used camera, this does not look bad at all. This doesn't look bad, not one bit. It already came attached with the 16 by 50 millimeter lens on the, you know, on here. But man, look at the body for 400 bucks. I mean, it looks pretty new as well. I'm not gonna lie. Got that. Thought it came on. I'm like, we got that on there. Looks pretty new to me. I don't see any scratches or anything, no damages on here either. So that's pretty good, man. So I mean, look at the camera. I'm gonna keep going back to it. I mean, the camera looks too great to, you know, I mean, it's used. It looks freaking great. Let's go and get to some specs about the camera. Let's go and talk about why I got the camera. This camera right here, it does come with a 24:3 APS-C sensor, which is going to produce high resolution images and videos at 1080p up to 60 frames per second. So I mean, that's number one right there. It still shoots 1080p up to 60 frames per second. Of course, they've got 4K cameras out, but I really don't record in 4K at all. I mean, it takes up too much storage for one, and I'm just like, you know what, whatever. I've done tons of research on YouTube about this. You know, this is confirmed that this is still a good camera in 2022, 2021, and I got nothing but positive reviews. So I was like, you know what, let's go ahead and pick it up. Other good things about this as well, like I stated earlier in the video, this right here, it does come with the Sony 16 through 50 millimeter zoom lens, which also comes with like the focal length of 3.5 to 5.6. So that's going to, let in a lot more aperture as well on this. And yeah, you can. This is one of the weirder ones. I've never seen this one personally. I was, expecting to take it and, see it extend out, but nah, it's just like a little switch right here. It's a little small switch right here. So this camera actually still does come with the Wi-Fi capability. So if I'm gonna go taking photos for anybody, I can easily go ahead and, pair this up with my phone and, just get the pictures, edit them on the go. Got Adobe Lightroom on my phone. I can go ahead and, start editing on the road or, do what I gotta do. Battery, it is inside of this camera. Okay. That shouldn't have happened. Okay, I guess I'm tapping on the thing too hard. But anyway, the battery does come inside of here. Thank God. I was like, oh God, it's not here at all. So this right here is going to be Sony's the battery that nobody freaking likes. This is going to be their MP-FW50 battery. I will say that this battery probably lasts almost 30 minutes to an hour for me personally. And I would say I'm more in the 30 to 45 minute range, because I got like six of these batteries actually right now, and these things suck. I'm not gonna lie. The cool feature about this Sony A6000 series as well is this. And like on the bigger cameras, the 7 series, they don't have that in-body flash. Well, guess what? We got it here. And I mean, I got the Sony A7 too. This camera right here is known for its, low light performances and everything, so it probably really doesn't need flash. But I mean, it would be nice to, have the flash on there just in case if we want to snap that picture, and get that good flash. At least that's what I'm thinking, this is what I'm thinking, but who knows, man. So now coming back to Funtown, let's talk about some pros and cons about the Sony A6000. First and foremost, this. You're a vlogger, don't get it. The reason I say don't get it is because the camera monitor behind here, that's it. That's all you're getting, player. So me personally, like when I'm gonna dongle this up here, I have no idea exactly how I'm gonna do it, because my camera is gonna have to be like, it's gonna be like on a swivel upside down pretty much, but of course facing this way. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, see the screen like that. This is pretty much the best I can get it, to come on like that. So that's number one. Number two is this. If you are somebody that likes to have external audio, you kind of sort out of luck, because this right here doesn't have that. There's no 3.5 millimeter jack for the microphone at all. It's only just going to be the multimedia and then also the micro HDMI on the side of this camera. This camera does have some great autofocus for one. The autofocus, they say, is very fast, and we're going to definitely test it out. I know I should have been tested out, but we're going to test it out. I need to go get a different, I got to go get a SIM card, or an SD card for this, I should say, just so I can go ahead and test it out. And we'll, figure out, like, hey, autofocus really good, or is it crappy? I don't know what they were thinking when they made this one right here with no microphone jack, but I'm happy the 7S2 has a microphone jack, because I would be pretty kind of mad, but yeah. But anyway, you guys, that's all we got for today's video. Make sure you guys go ahead and like the video today, subscribe to the channel, turn notification bells on for some more content exactly like this. Until next time, guys, the brand is out. Peace.